అందరికీ పంచితే మరింత పెరుగుతుంది. పై మంచి మాటలకు అనుగుణంగా మా పాఠశాలను సిఎస్ఏ యాజమాన్యం వారు స్థాపించి అందులో 2004వ సంవత్సరంలో ఆంగ్ల భాష మాధ్యమము నేటి పరిస్థితులకు అనుగుణంగా ప్రవేశపెట్టి మారుమూల విద్యార్థులందరికీ అందేలా ఎన్నో వ్యయ ప్రయాసల కోర్చి విద్యార్థుల బంగారు భవిష్యత్తుకు తోడ్పడుతున్న మా యాజమాన్యాన్ని అభినందిస్తూ మా పాఠశాల 2024-25 విద్యా సంవత్సరంలో సాధించిన అభివృద్ధిని మీ ముందుంచుటకు వస్తున్నారు మా విద్యార్థులు.
Good evening to one and all. Esteemed President of the day, Reverend Sister Jyoti Garu, General Councillor of Catechist Sisters of St. Anne. Chief Guest of the day, Mr. M. Ramesh Garu, District Educational Officer. And the special guest of honor, distinguished guest, sisters, fathers, brothers, parents, teachers, well-wishers, and my dear friends. A warm welcome to everyone who are taking part in St. Alphonsus High School Annual Day celebrations. We are here to present the school report of academic year 2024 and 25. Hi Varshit bro, do you know what gathering is going here for the celebrations?
Hey Karen sister, can you believe it's been 20 years since our school introduced English medium?
Wow, time flies. I have heard so many great things about our school's journey.
Yeah, let's take a walk down the memory lane. St. Alphonsus High School is a Catholic minority institution established and managed by the Catechist Sisters of St. Anne. Our school started in the year 1965, beginning with Telugu medium, by sisters who overcame challenges to provide education for the poor and marginalized in rural areas. Do you know how English medium was started?
Yeah, as the globalization and importance of English was spreading all over the world with the guidance and support of Reverend Sister Dr. Innamma Mekala Garu, we took a significant leap forward in the year 2004 by introducing English medium. Existing are facilities that have been upgraded and expanded over the years. With the help of Mother General Reverend Mother Regina Singareddy, approved the proposal and sanctioned English medium school in the year 2004-5. We are proud to say that St. Alphonsus High School is the first English medium school in Raghunathpally Mandal. Reverend Sister Dr. Innamma Mekala Garu has took lot of struggles to establish this school. On that day onwards, she is with us in all our times. We thank you, sister, with hearts full of gratitude and with bubbling spirit.
Do you know what is the aim of our school is?
Yeah, let me share it with you. The aim of education is knowledge, not of facts but of values. The aim of our school is to give the best education and to work on the all-round development of the students. I want to share the motto of our school, which is love, joy and service. Do you have any idea about our first headmistress?
Yeah, Reverend Sister Fatima K and correspondent sister Reverend Sister Thomas Garu, who worked during the period 2004-2005.
Oh yeah, she was the one who started English medium school in the year 2004. Then what about Reverend Sister Sundari's time? I have heard that she was a very great headmistress.
Yeah, headmistress Reverend Sister Sundari Garu and correspondent sister Roberta and Reverend Sister Thomas during her tenure from 2005 to 2015. In her era, school first and second floor building was constructed, computer lab, opportunity education which is related to foreign education was introduced. Sister bought 2 buses for transport facility for the children, library with fantastic books. Computer lab were also introduced in her period of time. During Sister Sundari's time, 5 batches of SSC were passed out with 100% result and every time we got Mandal topper. Do you have any idea about our third headmistress, Reverend Sister K. Arogya Mary Garu?
Yeah, headmistress Reverend Sister K. Arogya Mary Garu and correspondent Reverend Sister Thomas Garu and Reverend Sister Surekha Garu. They were really amazing and dedicated sisters. They have implemented many great changes to our school to make children happy and to make the learning easy. Sister introduced TV sets for the kindergarten children, constructed basketball court to encourage the children in games. Cabins for the teachers for the leisure hours were also constructed.
Do you have any idea about our current principal?
Yeah, Principal Reverend Sister T. Maria Sujata Garu and Correspondent Reverend Sister Nirmala Jyoti Garu has implemented many great changes to our school, introduced cabins for the teachers for their leisure hours, constructed basketball court. Renovation and painting of the basketball court was also took presence under her supervision. In her presence, 30 new computers were added to the computer lab. English Live's e-library with also really enhanced a learning experience. All these developments are done to take this institution to the greatest heights by the guidance and support of Reverend Sister Dr. Innamma Mekala Garu and Reverend Sister Mother General Japamala Garu and Reverend Sister Margaret Mary Garu. It's clear that Reverend Sister Sundari Garu and Reverend Sister Arogya Mary Garu, Reverend Sister Sundari Garu has taken our school to the next level. We are so lucky to have them as our principals.
Definitely, as Aristotle once said, we are what we do repeatedly. Excellence, then not an act, but a habit. Reverend Sister Sundari Garu truly instilled a habit of excellence in our school.
Well, now everybody comes to know about the journey of our school. Now, let me discuss about the present year. Now, Christina will take us to the highlights of infrastructure.
Infrastructure. Building today for a brighter tomorrow. A school transformed enhancing infrastructure learning. Our school, St. Alphonsus High School, have undergone phenomenal enhancement in its infrastructure over the past year. The renovation have been astounding, showcasing the school's dedication to providing a cutting-edge learning environment, science lab and library. One of the most notable upgrade is the new science lab. Equipped with modern equipment enables students to conduct wide range of experiments. In addition to the science lab, the school has also renovated its library, making it bigger and better than before. The library now features reading nooks and computers, providing students with a perfect space for studying. English lab. Furthermore, the school has introduced an English lab where students can practice conversation and listen to podcasts to improve their language skills. This lab provides students with unique opportunities to enhance their communication skills and become more confident in their language abilities. Computer lab. The school focused on technology is evident in its state-of-the-art computer lab, where students can learn programming and work on digital projects. The lab equipped with dedication system for each student, ensuring that they become technologically proficient. DG classes. The school has also introduced DG classes, which provide students with hands-on experience in digital technologies. These classes enable students to explore the latest digital tools and trends, preparing them for success in an increasingly digital world. IIT classes. The school commitment to academic excellence is evident in its IIT classes for maths, biology, physics and chemistry. These classes provide students with specialized coaching and mentorship, helping them to excel in this subject. Abacus classes. Abacus classes are conducted for the students 1 to 5th. These tools help our students to master the skills of calculations. This also helps the students to solve problems in a fun-filled manner. Classroom infrastructure and learning environment. The school's infrastructure is designed to provide a holistic learning environment. The classrooms are spacious, well lit and equipped with interactive smart boards, creating an immersive and engaging with learning experience. Staff and e-library. The schools boast a range of facilities including a fully computerized overflowing with vast collection of books. The school's modern infrastructure is combined with its experienced teachers and staff, makes it an ideal place for students to learn and grow. As we wrapped up this section of the report, I would like to hand it over Jessica, who will share more updates of our infrastructure. teacher seminars. The teacher who inspired me to follow my dreams was the one who believed in me more than I believe in myself. Seminars are a vital component of a teacher professional journey. They provide opportunities for learning, growth, collaboration that can enhance teaching practices, benefit students, and contribute to the overall improvement of the educational system. Overall, this teacher seminar was focused on professional development skills, enhancement, motivation, and inspiration for students and teachers. On 6th June, a seminar was conducted by Brother Sunny Xavier's. It was a great source of motivation, fun and floatless buzzed during the peak hours of the day. The brother highlighted the qualities of an effective teacher. The seminar helped the teacher to build a healthy man and better perspective. Food typing songs along with the dance was enthralling. The day was spent in laughter and learning. As a fun-focused learning atmosphere, one of the unique features of a school is its location, which is far from the choke of traffic and noise pollution, allowing them to concentrate on their studies without distraction. Our aesthetically designed furniture provide comfort and support for students, fostering a healthy environment for growth and development. Comprehensive sport facilities, including basketball, volleyball courts, and more, promoting physically fitness and teamwork. 3 floors complete with staff cabin and a staff room vertically members with a comfortable and adequate workspace. By providing a holistic learning environment, we start to shape the minds of today tomorrow. As we wrap up this section of the report, I would like to hand it over Chandana, who will share more updates of our academics.
Academics. Students heading towards a new dawn. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. As our students embark on a new academic journey, we encourage them to stay focused, work diligently, and strive for excellence. May their dreams be bold, their hearts be curious, their minds be open to the endless possibilities that await them. Together, let us shape future one dream at a time. School assembly. Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. Our school's assembly plays a vital role in fostering a positive school culture. Each month we focus on a specific virtue such as punctuality, honesty, hard work, charity, empathy, etc. Our principal addresses the gathering, delivering motivational messages that encourage students to set their goals, work hard, and make positive choices. The assembly also provides a platform for students to showcase their talents, build confidence, and develop leadership skills. Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. At the heart of our school's mission lies an unwavering commitment to academic excellence. We firmly believe that a strong academic foundation empowers students to unleash their potential, create opportunities, and make meaningful contributions to society. Remedial classes. Remedial classes are conducted for the students of class 10 by teachers every day before and after the school hours to help them and to face their SCC board exams with keen interest and attention also paid to the slow learners. Outstanding results. The fruit of your own hard work is the sweetest. Our students have achieved 100% success rate every year. We take immense pride to announce that our former students T. Catherine Satvika and E. Navina secured top 10 GPA in SSC board exams 2024 and 25. 100% success rate. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. We are thrilled to announce that our former students have achieved 100% success rate every year. This remarkable feat is a testament to our school's commitment to academic excellence, the dedication of our students, the exceptional work of our teachers, and the unwavering support of our community. Installation ceremony. Leaders are not born, they are made through determination, hard work, and a commitment to making a positive difference in the world. Our school has successfully conducted its annual elections, aimed to educating students about the electoral process and encouraging civic engagement. This initiative provides a platform for students to experience democracy in action from campaigning to voting. As the academic year 2024 and 25 unfolds and usher in with new hope and aspirations, we the All Francis family had gathered to witness and participate the installation ceremony of our school. The newly elected office bearers had taken their pledge to render unerring service with unity and hard work in the presence of our chief guest Reverend Father Gopu Thomas Garu, along with our correspondent Reverend Sister Nirmala Jyoti Garu, our principal Reverend Sister Sujata Garu, with the solemn occasion. Now it's Sharon turn to talk about the celebrations.
Celebrations. State Formation Day. As we are living in Telangana state, we have celebrated Telangana Formation Day with lot of joy and enthusiasm on 2nd June 2024 and hoisted the national flag. Father Silvio Pasquale Feast. Father Silvio Pasquale Feast was celebrated on 7th July with fervor and devotion. It is the 100th anniversary of Father Silvio Pasquale. In his honor, the school had conducted special assembly and celebrations. Our correspondent, Reverend Sister Nirmala Jyoti Garu, and headmistress, Reverend Sister Sujata Garu, initiated the solemn occasion. Life of Father Silvio Pasquale itself is a motivation that drives us all for the noble cause to serve the society. A skit was enacted by students portraying the life of Father Silvio Pasquale. His noble deeds to help poor and marginalized tells us that everyone should have a kind and generous heart that Father Pasquale had. Father Silvio Pasquale, a founder's life exemplifies. St. Anne Feast. St. Anne teaches us beauty of faith, strength of prayers, and the importance of family. The patron saint of CSA, St. Anne Feast was celebrated on 26th July. St. Anne and St. Joachim were a pious, righteous couple and the parents of Blessed Virgin Mary. Anne means grace, Joachim means Yahweh saves, due to their names. St. Anne is the glorious among the saints because it was in her that the Immaculate Conception took place, whereby she became the Mother of God and Grandmother of Messiah. Holy Eucharistic Mass was celebrated by D. Vijay Paladi, Director of Christ Jyoti Institute of Technology, Janagam, St. Alphonsus Liguori. On August 1st, we commemorated the feast day of our patron saint, St. Alphonsus Liguori, with prayer session, devotional programs, and a solemn mass. Reverend Father Thomas Reddy Garu and Reverend Father Prakash, inspiring homily, fostered a sense of belonging and faith connection among our students. These celebrations serve as a powerful way to instill values and educate our students about significance of St. Alphonsus' life and teachings. By embracing this legacy, we aim to shape compassionate, empathetic, and devoted individuals who make a positive impact in the world. Teachers' Day celebration. Teaching is a noble profession that shapes character, caliber, and the future of an individual. Our management and students celebrated Teachers' Day to commemorate the teachers' values in our lives, that aim to create a warm and appreciative atmosphere, fostering strong teacher-student relationship and acknowledging the vital role teachers play in students' lives. This celebration not only honor teachers but also inspire them to continue their valuable work in education. National Festival. Freedom is the oxygen of our soul. Be the change you wish to see in the world. Said by Mahatma Gandhi. India's Independence Day is a celebration of the country's rich history, culture, diversity, and commitment to democracy and unity. Every year on August 15 and January 26, the nation comes together to commemorate its independence from British rule in 1947. The event at St. Alphonsus School was a testament for the spirit of patriotism and unity. The synchronized march past led by cabinet set the tone for a day filled with respect, discipline, and tradition. The chief guests, including Reverend Sister Nirmala Jyoti Garu and headmistress Reverend Sister Sujata Garu, added to the occasion's grandeur. Now, Varshini will share our school few more celebrations.
Children's Day celebrations. The greatest gifts can give children are the roots of responsibility and the wings of independence. St. Alphonsus School embraced the spirit of joy and laughter as we celebrated Children's Day with great enthusiasm. The event was a collaborative effort, with every teacher contributing to make the day special for our beloved students. The heartwarming celebration saw the active participation of all teachers, each contributing their unique talents and energy to create unforgettable experience for the children. Christmas celebrations. Christmas is the magic that brings joy to the heart of all, making the world a brighter and more loving place. Our school celebrated Christmas with enthusiasm and fervor. The festivities began with a beautiful dance performance followed by sweet Christmas carols. The highlight was a skit depicted the birth of baby Jesus, reminding us of the true meaning of Christmas, a wonderful reminder of love, kindness, compassion, filling our school communicative with joy and cheer. Krishnastami celebrations. Krishnastami was celebrated by students of pre-primary. Children came dressed ethnic wear as Radha and Krishna. The presentation depicted the varied images of Lord Krishna. It was a beautiful presentation with choices, melody and thrilling dances. Batkama celebrations. The Batkama festival is the cultural spirit of Telangana. Students brought different kinds of flowers and decorated Batkama. Teachers and students celebrate this festival by dancing and playing. Sankranti celebrations. Makar Sankranti is one of the important festivals. It is celebrated with great joy and happiness. Our tiny torch came in colorful traditional attire, bringing with them the festive mood. Students enjoy this festival by drawing rangoli and flying kites. Next, Panita will take us through the highlights of our kindergarten. KG Kids, our school, St. Alphonsus, is a special place, boasting a large campus and a vibrant community of friends. The amazing playground is equipped with swings, slides, and more, providing endless opportunities for the fun. Inside the classrooms, students enjoy a variety of activities, including coloring, singing songs, playing with blocks, and story time. These experiences are made possible by the dedicated management and teachers who strive to provide a well-rounded education and a nurturing environment. As tiny tots of St. Alphonsus, we take pride in being part of this esteemed institution which shapes us a brighter future through academics, activities, programs, and competitions throughout the year. Grand Prix Primary Graduation Day with the theme Class 1. Here we come. A Grand Prix Primary Graduation Day was organized for the students of the year 2023 and 24. Students of class PP2 on April 2024 with their capes and hats of graduates were with a spirit of accomplishment and achievement for graduating out of their pre-primary corridors and entering class 1. As we wrap up this section of the report, I would like to hand it over Snigdha, who will make some exciting updates beyond the classroom.
Beyond the classroom into endless possibilities, Cybercrime Awareness Program. In today's increasingly digital world, cybercrime has become a pervasive threat that affects on individuals, organizations, and nations alike. Schools, which are at the forefront of shaping the minds of the future generations, plays a critical role in preparing students for this reality. A cybercrime awareness program was conducted by Mandal Police Station to spread awareness about growing cybercrimes and to be safe against the fraudulent people. The team helps students develop critical thinking skills and an understanding of digital threats the student may encounter. Parents-teachers meeting. We conduct regular parent-teacher meeting to discuss student progress, fostering collaboration and interaction among teacher, students and parents. This meeting reviews performance, identify strength and weakness and develop strategies to enhance their skills and knowledge. By working together, we promote academic success, improve communication and boost student confidence, ultimately creating a supportive environment that helps students to reach their full potential. World Plantation Day. Plantation Day is a day dedicated to planting trees and raising awareness about importance of forest and environmental conservation. Plantation Day was observed in our school on 13 July. All teachers and students came to school and clad in green. Students had bought different types of plants from their homes along with their class teachers participated gaily in planting saplings. Yoga Day. Yoga is a journey of the self, through the self, to the self. Incorporating yoga into our school curriculum has empowered students with essential life skills, emotional resilience, enhancing their academic performance and overall well-being. By practicing yoga, our students develop greater self-awareness, discipline, and concentration, leading to more balanced and harmonious life. Catholic teachers and students retreat. Together in faith, united in purpose, a retreat for growth and reflection. Spiritual retreat at St. Joseph High School. Two spiritual retreats were held at St. Joseph High School, fostering spiritual growth and renewal among teachers and students. A retreat for Catholic children were held on September 28th, led by Reverend Father Namila Surendra Garu. A teachers' retreat were held on 24-25 August, led by Reverend Father Tatikunda Joseph Garu. They guided teachers on a journey of spiritual growth, promoting renewal and self-reflection. Now, moving right along with Archana, will now share some insights about how we have been celebrating our success and milestones throughout the year.
Literary and cultural competitions.